Some of you may have seen this amazing product I'm about to share with you, but those of you who has not seen it, you may want to stick around. This video is sponsored by Narwal. Narwal is the world's first self-cleaning robot mop and vacuum that you can work from your smartphone. The Narwal 10, it comes with an array of parts and accessories, extra mopping pads, and extra spinning brushes. It also includes cleaning tools for the dirt bin and washboard, and it also comes with mopping detergent and a magnetic strip. I really love how easy it is to magnetically snap on and off the different attachments. It makes it easy to switch between sweeping and mopping. As I mentioned, it's really easy to switch out because it's magnetic. Just place them on, and that's what I love the most about it. It's just easy, you guys. Just replace the mop pads, just pull them off, and then place them back on. Velcro is what's keeping them in place. It can connect to a smartphone. The app is fairly basic. It allows you to see the map of the room as well as the mop's progress and current location, and you can see the cleaning duration and the total area cleaned. The dustbin is here on top, and there's a little dust and dirt from me testing it, but there's also a filter. There's really not much because I do vacuum often. You guys know how I feel about my vacuum lines. Inside the base station, there's a tank for wastewater, which is the white tank, and the blue tank is for the clean water. Floor detergent did come with it, but my main floor only requires plain water that was recommended by the manufacturer.
Start mopping.
This is so cool to see, you guys. I like to think that my floors were really clean before using Narwal, and I was pretty curious to see the mop pads in the water after only doing a few sweeps to show you guys. I'm really loving how you can control where the mop goes when you're mopping because I do have carpeting in our dining room. Another cool feature, when it's done, it will pull itself back into the base station and clean itself. Now it's on the wash cycle. You can clearly see on this LED screen, it's cleaning the dirty pads itself on this tray that's removable. I'm going to let you listen to how quiet it is. Moment of truth. Let's take a look inside to see how the wastewater is looking, and look how dirty my floors are. This is only a few sweeps, and look how dirty the water is. This is actually a good thing because at least I'll know that my floors are really clean. And the pads came out. I will suggest that you clean them every now and then, tossing them into the washer to make sure to get a really deep clean. Okay, you guys, I reviewed tons of vacuums in my time, and I'm telling you guys, this is definitely a winner in my opinion. But check it out for yourself. I'll leave a clickable link for your shopping convenience in my description box, and I want to thank you all for watching.